Hey you guys, it's your girl Yanni and we're back with another video. Today we're going to be focusing on self-care motivation, just getting up, taking care of ourselves, cleaning up, and trying to get motivated and started with the week. This week I wasn't really feeling that great. I was really tired. I wasn't really feeling it. But I had to get up, so I started with some tea because it's raspberry leaf tea. I heard that helps with the cramps, which it actually does work. So I've been drinking that every morning. I'll do it like a couple of times during the day for probably about a week or two, and then I'll give it a break. But yeah, we start with the tea. And then I'm gonna get into just some quiet time and just stretching and meditating and just being, in my mind with positive thoughts and trying to get the day started. Then after that, once I've had time to kind of do that in that quiet space, then I'll go ahead and journal at the beginning of the day just to write down all my thoughts, and it's a way to express myself and kind of cleanse whatever bad thoughts. If I had any bad thoughts, put them on paper. If I had any good thoughts or just how I was feeling for that day, anything that I want to talk to God about, then I can put that all in that journal. And just have it documented. It's something for me to kind of look back on, and it's just kind of like I'm talking to myself throughout this little bit of time. Then after I'm done writing in that, then I go straight to my planner because there's things that I needed to get done or just goals that I had for the week. So when I put in my planner, I just put like my gym goals and the content that I need to make, as well as any other things that I need to do throughout the week. And now it is time for me to clean. My house was crazy. Like I had not felt motivated at all. So I had to turn on my gospel and get ready to really deep clean because your girl can't be living in that filth. It does not do good for my energy. For my house to be dirty, then that just means that my mind is probably cluttered and I'm not actually present throughout the day. So once I clean and there's a clean space, then it also kind of does the same thing for me mentally. I don't know if anybody can relate to that, but yeah, a clean space would just help my mind and help my day. It just means that I'm in a good space. If it's messy and I haven't cleaned, then that just means I've probably been in a negative space or a bad space. I want to try to get myself up out of that. And today was the day I decided, like, girl, we're going to pray about it. We're going to give it to God, and we are going to clean up this mess and keep pushing forward. Another day is another opportunity, and I've had to learn that because life has really been lifing. So we're going to take this time and get our things together. By the way, if you guys are not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to your girl real quick. Help me out. And thanks for watching.
Dropping in, I put me up some drops. Y'all said real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Keep your legs closed, cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up bitch from mama house and put some rounds in it. That nigga blocking west, that nigga drown in it. Nigga round drunk, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this gang shit, murder gang shit.
case y'all are wondering what this thing is that I'm like unscrewing, it's actually a laptop tray, or not a laptop tray, it's a keyboard tray, but I use it to sit my laptop on it so I can kind of sit higher at my counter. It's actually really nice. I'll try to put the link down in the description for you guys so that if you're interested, you can take a look at it. I don't know why it feels like it always takes me a really long time to clean the kitchen, but once I've got that part done, there was just shoes everywhere. There's boxes from orders that I was getting in throughout the week that I just hadn't taken care of, food from out, like I know I see that pizza box or whatever. Like I was not really feeling it, but it is feeling good to just see like the work that I'm doing, to see less things out, to see less crumbs, to see less grease, mess, just anything, just everything being cleared out. It's like starting anew, and that just feels really, really good, you guys. I told y'all about this couch before in a different video, but if you keep sitting in it, then it just kind of deforms. So I'm going to get that together. It also feels, I don't know why it feels bigger and more comfortable after you fix it after a while. So I just had to go ahead and get this couch together. But the pillows, the cushions actually can be a little heavy when you're trying to do this. So sometimes it takes me some time, especially if I haven't really been going to the gym consistently, then, you know, I don't know. The pillows, they be hitting your girl a little different. But yeah, I did take care of this. And you guys, you can see it looks a lot nicer when it's together. To go to the laundry. As I said, I kind of had a lot of laundry just from not doing it after a while. But I kind of have a love-hate relationship with laundry. I love how the detergent and those beads, I love how that smells, but I don't always be feeling like folding laundry. I mean, for the most part, I do hang most of this stuff up, but it's just not my favorite part. And now we are getting ready to cooking. So I'm gonna prepare this chicken because I was actually going to grill it. So I'm just gonna prepare it first. You can just see that I'm gonna have some grilled chicken, and then I'll see whatever sides I'm gonna feel like doing after. It just probably depends on how long it's gonna take me to actually grill this chicken. Now that's ready, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower after I've grilled because I didn't like the fact that I was smelling like grill. So I just wanted to go ahead and, you know, freshen myself up before I started cooking the food, just so I can relax when I'm done. So I decided to go with macaroni and cheese and sweet potatoes and spinach. That felt like the move for the evening. And you guys, it did take a little minute just because I baked the sweet potatoes. I just like to eat it baked. I know that some people make like actual yams or those kind of sweet potatoes, but in the oven is pretty much good enough for me. So I knew that the macaroni and sweet potatoes were going to take a long time, which was fine. I started a little early. I probably started around like 5 or 6:30, just because I knew it was going to take a bit of time and I didn't want to be eating super late. But y'all, this food was so freaking good. So it was worth it. It was worth it. I didn't put every single detail of how I made the food in here, so I didn't need y'all getting on my case or talking about, you know, I don't know, however you make it. However you want to make your food is fine. I just don't want anybody, you know, telling me what I need to do. If you have some tips or things that y'all think are good, then yeah, but sometimes people just kind of go a little crazy with the comments. So yeah, I just kind of skip around a little bit. But I did want to show y'all the finished plate, and y'all, I'm telling y'all, this was so good. I sat down and I was about to watch Girlfriends with this plate of food, and I enjoyed this my night. I probably went to sleep right after this. So if y'all like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more like this, let me know in the comments, and make sure you subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.